guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Grow and Glow Terrarium. It comes with this box and all these fun glow-in-the-dark stickers, and I think it comes with instructions. Thanks, Mom. Whoa.
Oh.
Glow-in-the-dark sand. Cool. Spray bottle.
It didn't come with little figurines, though, did it?
I think it actually does. It's just some secret compartment.
Oh!
Okay, it was smaller than I expected.
If you're wondering where the figurines are, they were attached to the cardboard right there.
Probably where the raccoon is. I see this little glow-in-the-dark fire. Isn't that cute? Aw, look how cute that raccoon is. He's roasting marshmallows at the fire. Now let's open these stickers. Glow-in-the-dark stickers? Okay, that looks pretty simple. It says, lay out some newspapers or paper towels to work on. This will help you keep the area clean while you plant.
There you go.
Thank you. And we need to open up the jar. Thank you. Be sure to be extra careful with your scissors. Cut a little small hole to get the jar out. Oh, little stars cut out. Okay, let's put on the layers. These are the stones. These are the seeds. These both are glow-in-the-dark sand. These are some more seeds, potting mix. So we need to put it in first. I'm gonna be extra careful not to dump it, because then, oh no, you have to clean it up. I'm gonna be extra careful. Here we go. So next are the glowing sand. And now to put in the purple sand. So next we need the potting mix.
Are we supposed to do the potting mix in 2 layers? Oh no!
That's okay.
So we made a mistake and we put all 1 layer of potting mix and then the 2 layers of glowing sand. If you make that mistake, ask your mom and maybe she'll have some more potting mix.
Do you have potting mix?
Yes, I'll go get some.
So if you made the same mistake as me, ask an adult and you may get lucky because she may or may not have potting mix. Good thing there's a paper towel because that was not easy. Going up in the picture to going halfway through the jar. We might have filled it up a bit higher. I'm gonna press it down to get it in the right shape and hope that our characters will be able to fit in it. So next, we need the stones, which are these. I'm gonna try to get them all around. And then the seeds. Those look like popcorn seeds. And these mini ones. I sure hope they don't get everywhere. Surprise. Gotta very carefully. I think that the last step is to put in our mini figures. And to decorate. Once the layers are complete, mist the top of the soil until it's very damp. This is the garden mister, and we're supposed to fill it up with water. We have to spray them for the plants to grow. Plants need water to grow because they can't just, if they don't have water, they dry out. So now it's time to decorate it. Let's put the cap on. Righty tighty. We can use glow-in-the-dark stickers and these. You can decorate it in whatever pattern or way you want. I'm gonna decorate with both. I'm gonna make the bear looking at the Big Dipper. So this is my finished terrarium. Let's see if it glows in the dark, because on the cover it says it's a glow in the dark, and we really want to know if it glows in the dark or not. And it has to be really, really dark. It's kind of glowing. Look at the marshmallows. They're glowing. The marshmallows are glowing green. Everything's glowing on it, so it does glow.
Oh yeah, I can see how the stickers are glowing. The marshmallows glow too?
See? All right, let's see how this baby grows, because I can't wait to show you how it grows and glows. So this is the terrarium after a week. It's been growing for a while. We've been watering it every day, and so this is what it looks like after a full week. I'm pretty sure that it's really easy and you should try that at home yourself. My favorite thing was putting in the characters and watching it glow. I like that you can decorate it, plants grow, and it's like an indoor garden. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Bye!